It was special. JJ pretty much always checks in with us on things, and he checked in with us beforehand, kind of just saying, this is what I want to get going and doing and everything. And I was like, absolutely, you know, this is amazing. And I have no doubt that it's going to exceed the expectation that he had initially. And it's been remarkable. It's kind of funny, one of those things where you just keep checking the computer going, great, great, you know. And as we watch the TV, then seeing the reports of them rescuing more people and whatnot, knowing that need is just growing and growing, it's nice to see that matching growing as well. Just like anything, you know, the hype is right here, right now. However, you know, in 3-4 months when we're all back to our normal, shall we say, news coverage and whatnot, not just of Hurricane Harvey, those people are still just going to have such a long road ahead of them. So that's why it's so important to donate, because this is going to be such a long-lasting effect for all of these families.
Are you surprised by the response so far?
I am, but I'm not. Obviously, you know, I've watched things before with him, and you know, JJ luckily is just such a stand-up guy and a great person giving back. And I think that, like I've always said before, is that when people see him speak or listen to him or whatnot, he's genuine. You know, he genuinely cares. And Houston has been a home to us. It has been his home for, you know, since he's been drafted and whatnot. Everybody welcomed him with open arms, you know, in the last 7 years and whatnot. So yeah, he definitely feels like giving back, and I think it's just tremendous. So the support, I think it's great that it's coming from everywhere, but I'd love to see that expand. I mean, you know, we've got a whole nation here that, oh, just Texas is affected for the most part, and so let's everybody else who isn't affected or who may have received help prior from another, you know, catastrophe, even if you have $1, $5.